Trading and making money has been easy since I started using this strategy on the BTC Dana. Okay, so glad to have you back. In recent times, I actually talked about the BTC Dana, and I've been using this particular crypto exchange to trade both futures and forex markets, and it is very simple and easy. Okay, now in this video, I'll be showing you a strategy that I've been using to make money from time to time on the BTC Dana, and I'll also be making live trades to actually show you how this strategy works properly. Okay, so if you're just coming across this channel for the first time, here I basically talk about different ways I make money online, ranging from crypto arbitrage opportunities to free updates and also investment updates that I've also tried out. Okay, so recently I dived into the world of trading, and I've been using the BTC Dana to do this, and it has been very simple and easy. Okay, so if you want to actually find making money with BTC Dana like I do, you can easily sign up. I'll be dropping the link in the description section below and also in the comment section below. Okay, sign up and actually create an account and verify your account. Okay, now another thing you need to note is that the BTC Dana actually comes in with a lot of bonus, especially for new users. Okay, so as a new user, you can get up to 100% deposit bonus cashback on every deposit you actually make, and if you also trade up to one lot, you get to share $23 or even up to 1000 USDT on this app. Okay, and also aside the benefits, you can easily make money on the BTC Dana by trying out the same procedure that I'll be showing you in this video. Okay, now once you actually create your account, to be able to trade right here, you need to actually fund it. Okay, so if you click on the asset button right here, you're going to find the deposit button right here. Okay, so you click on the deposit button, you're going to find two deposit method. This is the fiat deposit option and this is the crypto deposit option. Okay, so you can select the one that is okay for you. If you're using the fiat, you click on it and you can find the quick bank transfer option right here, and you can deposit as low as 10 USDT or $10 right here. And you can also use the crypto method where it will actually display a wallet address for you to actually make your deposit. Okay, so once you fund your account, it will appear right here in your balance right here. So I've actually been able to raise my funds from the last video to this amount you can see right here. In my last video it was around $200 and today is around $528. Okay, now to trade, you're going to come right here to the market section. So right here you get a list of popular crypto and forex markets. Okay, and you can also trade metals like your gold, and you can also trade stocks right here. Okay, and you can also search for other options here in case it is not appearing right here. All right, so with that said, let's move into my strategy. Okay, so I've basically been using a VIP signal group to actually trade right here, and I've been able to make good amount of profit using that group. Okay, but don't worry, this group is actually going to be free for now. If you actually check the description section below, you're going to find my Telegram group link there. You have to join my Telegram group, and I'll be dropping the VIP signal group link in my Telegram group. All right, so this is the BTC Dana VIP signal group, and if you're on this group, you basically know how good the signals that have been coming from this group have been. Okay, and I'm very sure you've actually made a lot of profit like I have done using this group. Okay, so if you check out the latest signal that was dropped right here, you can see this is today's day right here, and this particular signal is actually telling us to create a buy order on the XAU USD, which is the gold market, and it's actually also provides you with the take profit and also with a stop loss for safety. Okay, so I'm going to be using this particular signal group to actually explain the trading process, and we're going to make this profit live using this. Okay, and right here I'll come to the market section and I'll select the gold. Okay, so you select any market that the signal is giving on. Okay, so with the gold right here, and according to the signal group, it says we should buy. All right, so I'll click on the buy button here. Now once you click on the buy button, you want to select the pending order option right here to be able to create your order, especially when the market has not actually hit the entry price. Okay, so our entry price is around 4188. all right, so right here I'm going to put it here. We're going with 4188. Okay, then right here where you have volume, you get to set your lot size. So because this is the gold market and it's a very volatile market, and it is a market that can be very volatile, so we need to actually trade this with caution. Okay, so we're going to be using a safety lot size of 0.01 right here. All right, and also your lot size has to depend on the capital you're using, but I feel this is the lowest lot size. Okay, so I can also add this to 0.02 lot right here. Okay, and right here we have the stop loss slash take profit here. So if you click on this to on it, so here you can set your stop loss. So according to the signal, it says our stop loss should be 4140. Okay, so if you are very conversant with trading, you know, if you want to put in your stop loss, it's actually optional, but for safety reasons it's good you put your stop loss. Okay, then we also have the take profit. So I'm going to be using the take profit 2 right here, which is 4202, right? So I'm going to also impute it right here, 4202. So we've set our stop loss and our take profit right now. Now the next thing we're going to do is to click on the buy button here, and we've successfully created a pending order. Okay, now what our pending order is basically saying is that once the price of gold actually drops down to our entry price, and our entry price is 4188, once it drops to 4188, we are telling it to actually execute our order, and once it executes, you're already in the market, and if you are in profit, it will actually start displaying. Okay, now to check in your orders, you come right here to trading, you click on trading, you click on pending order right here. So this is our current order here. So I'm just waiting patiently for gold to actually hit this price 4188 to execute this order, and once it does, it's going to appear right here in positions, and we're going to see how this trade goes. Okay, and as you can see right here, I'm currently on my real account. All right, and if you're a newbie, if you want to get conversant with the BTC Dana and the rest, you can also apply for a demo account by clicking on demo accounts right here. Okay, but also note that the funds in your demo account are not withdrawable. All right, only the funds in your real account. Okay, so I'm going to click on the confirm button here. So right now I'll pause this video and continue once the market hit our entry price. Okay, and here we go, guys. The trade has triggered. Okay, this is the two trade right here, the one I actually placed a pending order on, and you can see we are in profit, guys. You can see the amount of profit right here, despite the fact that I actually entered another trade, and this trade is actually on a loss, but not to worry, I'm still on a profit right here because of these two trades here. Okay, so I'm going to close the position. I'm going to close this one. I'll confirm this, and I'm still going to close this also. Okay, all right, and here we go. So right here, I'm going to wait for this one to actually, fall back into profit. Okay, because this is the gold market, and this is a very volatile market, and I actually took a very high risk by entering this particular trade with 0.05. But not to worry, that's not the main thing. The main thing was to talk about these two trades I actually placed right here. Okay, so this was a pending order as of yesterday, and today it actually executed, and we made this amount of profit off it. All right, and now for your curiosity, I'm going to leave this particular trade to actually be in profit, and you're also going to see how much I make from this particular one. Okay, just look at this, guys. Look at the volatility of the gold market. The gold market is actually one of the most volatile and crazy market out there, and you can basically see it right here in this trade. So there are actually other signals that also dropped in the group. You might not like the gold market, you might like to trade the BTC, the Euro USD, the ETH and the Solana market, which have a little bit lesser volatility compared to the gold, and it's actually a good one for you to make profit. And look at the trade, guys. You can see the loss have actually reduced, and we're almost in profit. Here we go, we are currently in profit. In fact, this is one of the most riskiest trade I've taken right here on the BTC Dana, and I'm actually glad you guys got to see it. Okay, so I'm going to be closing this trade right now because I'm in a good profit already, and it wasn't really my intentions to actually place this particular trade because I was still waiting for the other ones to execute. But then I'm glad this actually fell into profit, so I'll close this right now. And here we go, we've closed this particular trade with a $28 profit, and you can basically see all the trades I took this week on my BTC Dana. This is my weekly order. You can basically see it's all green here, guys. It's all green. And if I come right here to assets, and here we go, with this strategy I've been able to flip my 500 USDT to make 100 USDT profit by actually placing trades with the BTC Dana, and I'm glad you actually got to see this in the video. All right, so guys, what are you waiting for? Join this particular VIP channel right now while it is still free, though the signals are not 100% guaranteed because this has to do with trading, and when it comes to trading, there's nothing like 100%. I always tell you guys, but if you actually want to make money trading, it's all about your strategy, and with the right strategy you get to make a lot of money. All right, so I'll be dropping the link to this group in my Telegram channel. Join my Telegram channel to access the link. I'll be dropping it together with this video. Join the group, and I'll be dropping it there for free for 2 days. If you request for the group link after 2 days, you might actually need to pay for it. Okay, and we actually hope to make a lot of money from the signals from this. Okay, So that'll be all for now, guys, and I hope you find this very helpful. And if you do, please don't leave without smashing the like button and subscribe to this channel. Here I basically talk about different things I've tried to actually make money online and actually make videos about them, in case you might actually check it out. Okay, but also know that this is not a financial advice. Okay, so I'll see you guys on the next update. Have a nice day. Bye.